So they're like, okay, he's bad, but we don't know how bad this guy is.
Yeah.
It's not even about good anymore. Why do you think ये जो voter turnout जो था, why was it so low? And this was historically low.
बिकॉज लोग यार एंगेज ही नहीं होना चाहते। वो बाद में तो कंप्लेन करेंगे, जब टाइम है उस टाइम पे एंगेज नहीं होंगे उस इशू के साथ। गए हैं लोगों में, लोगों से बात की, लोगों ने अपनी प्रॉब्लम्स बताई। वो बता रहे हैं स्पीडिंग की प्रॉब्लम है जी, लाउड कार्स की प्रॉब्लम है, पटाखों की प्रॉब्लम है, स्ट्रीट क्राइम की प्रॉब्लम है। तो सारा कुछ बता के, तो अगर आप आउट ऑफ 12 8 वही लोग लेके आ रहे हैं जो पहले थे इनकम्बेंट,
Yeah.
सो आपने चेंज आप कहाँ पे लेके आए?
Yeah. People were okay with, we know this guy is bad. चलो ये भी चलेगा, but we don't know this guy. We don't want to bet on this guy. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So they're like, okay, he's bad, but we don't know how bad this guy is.
Yeah.
It's not even about good anymore. It's so much easier to be on the sidelines and talk about something,
Yeah.
right?
When you see those young kids walking towards the bus stops in the morning in a half of it snow, you feel sorry.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, we are living in a snow country, that is fine, but we are living in a 21st century and we have resources to clean that thing up.
Yeah. Hello and welcome to yet another podcast with Pransh Unfiltered. Today we have someone very, very special. He is Punjab da Puttar, Mr. Sandeep Singh. Even though we only met each other a few months back because of the elections that we were running together, him being running for the councillor, city councillor from Ward, whatever that long name is,
Spomitapi.
Spomitapi, Ward 12, formerly known as Ward 12, and where I was running as a trustee as well for this public school board. Our relationship, even though we have a lot of age gap, it just seemed very natural, and it just felt like an instant connection because for him, family is everything, and I've seen that during his campaign. His wife was always there, being the support that she is. His beautiful daughter, she was taking care of everything. She was kind of managing everything. And there, his two wonderful young boys. One is very, very naughty, the youngest one. But the one before that, he's been coming helping out. And then also your entire team. He's a phenomenal guy. I just wanted to capture what gets him going from a village to coming to Edmonton, been here for what 20, 30 years, achieving the success that he's achieved, getting into politics. Let's get it right into his mind. Welcome, Sandeep bhai. Kaise?
Thank you जी, बढ़िया है, आप सुनाएं।
All good, Ji. Let's start off with cheers. I know you don't drink, but you drink chai.
चाय
So chai pe cheers
चाय पे cheers.
to a good conversation.
Thank you.
So I know हम लोग है ना, we meet a lot in the formal settings. कि भाई gatherings, this and that. We've never had a one-on-one before. Even though we went door knocking
Yes.
this one time,
Yes.
we never had a one-on-one. So tell me, who is Sandeep Singh, according to you? So take yourself out and look at Sandeep Singh as a third person.
संदीप सिंह जो आप देखना चाहते हैं वो हम आपको दिखाएंगे।
Perfect.
I was born in a village, but raised in a small town, which is just close to the village. And मैंने अपनी जो स्कूलिंग है वो पहले अमृतसर में की, जहाँ का मैं रहने वाला हूँ। उसके बाद उसके साथ ही एक छोटी सी तहसील है अजनाला, वहाँ पे हम स्कूल में गए। एंड जो मेरा बैकग्राउंड है वो फार्मर फैमिली से है, तो आई लव फील्ड्स, आई लव like domestic animals, cows, buffaloes, horses. And
course.
those that is my you can say weakness. When I will go in there, and
Yeah.
I always feel connected and
At peace.
feel
At peace.
happy and feel nature close to me, when you are walking around in your backyard of the, you can say, the setting of your house.
Mhm.
So एंड हमारे में कोई वो जो जिसको बोलते हैं ना वल्विंग नहीं है, सीधे सीधे है, तो सीधी सीधी बात करेंगे जो
ऑफ
भी है।
कोर्स ना, सीधी सीधी बात
तो
करेंगे.
स्कूल के बाद हमने जो है कॉलेज ज्वाइन किया था, तो कॉलेज के बाद उसके बाद ही यहाँ का बन गया, तो केम स्ट्रेट टू कनाडा इन 1998.
ओके.
सो उसके बाद यहाँ पे आके स्ट्रगल स्टार्ट की, तो थोड़ा टाइम लगा सेटअप होने में, 6-7 महीने. उसके बाद काम धंधा स्टार्ट किया, बाद में ट्रकिंग में चले गए जी. दैट वाज द बिग थिंग फॉर मी एट दैट टाइम, लाइक यू नो व्हेन आई केम हियर, एंड तभी से ट्रकिंग में है. तो got married in 2005, and I thought I will do the studies, but it went into the other direction.
Okay.
So wife started doing the studies and all that, and she completed her CPA, and since she is, like you know, she's in that business, and or she's doing a public practice,
Okay.
I'm happy for her, and happy with my kids and everything, and I kept the trucking profession, and I really love it. Like you know, I don't mind it at all, because इसी ने मेरे को सब कुछ दिया है, जो कुछ भी है आज मेरे पास इसी की वजह से है.
Beautiful, beautiful. Just want to rewind back. तो जब आप गांव में थे in your village, तो वहाँ पे स्कूल नहीं था, so that's why you had to go to Amritsar. Is that?
गांव में स्कूल था, बट वहाँ पे जो स्कूल है वो ज़्यादा है वो गवर्नमेंट स्कूल. पेरेंट्स वांट्स टू सी अस, लाइक यू नो, achieving more what they had.
More than what they had.
Yeah, so they send us to the English medium. So
Wow.
that's why we went into the city.
This is in 80s we're talking.
Yeah,
In 80s.
yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
So people in 80s और गांव में रहते थे आपके parents. So they must be bloody visionary. They must have the vision के यार, because हमारी life गांव में शुरू हुई और most likely गांव में ख़त्म हो जाएगी. But that should not define, and that should not be the destiny for my kids. And that's huge.
That is huge, but in the beginning of my life, there was another you can say the twist, or you can say the mishappening. My father passed away, like you know, when I was quite young.
Okay.
So my the eldest person in our family at that time was our Puaji.
Okay.
So she was a doctor.
Oh, okay.
So she wants us to achieve everything, like you know what she achieved. Even like you know, my village is at the border, and even my grandfather, he was quite the personality. Like you know, he wants to see his kids in like you know, in the proper professions. And my Puaji, she was a doctor. My father went to even college, but not the very big college, but the college close to our village. So he went to college, and they knew, like you know, how the life is outside from that area. So that's why they want us to succeed in every field.
In every field.
Yeah.
And I think, is that why your mindset was the way it was, that जब आप यहाँ पे आए, तो you just said it recently कि you thought you would be studying and you'd be going to school.
Yeah.
But your wife ended up studying and you're okay with it.
Yeah.
And that to me is वो बोलते हैं ना, निस्वार्थ. There is no swarth there. You know what I mean?
बिल्कुल.
And I think that defines like what kind of a spouse you are, and what kind of a man you are. That you're not shy. You're not shy to be like, it's okay. मेरे जो dreams हैं, I'll keep it on the side for now.
Yeah.
I'll let my wife focus on hers.
Yep.
Right? And a lot of times, you know, it's a misconception that because of how you look, you know, we are at Trans Unfiltered, so I'll just talk about. I'll be very without any filter. Because of your look, you come across, to me, including myself, the first interaction that we had right here at our studio was कि यार, बंदा थोड़ा conservative लग रहा है. I mean, you get that, right?
Yeah, yeah.
But that's why we have shows. We have a show like this where we are figuring it out. Okay, like you're just a normal guy,
Open-minded.
open-minded guy. Yeah, open-minded is the best word. That's right. That's right.
Yeah.
So like how did that transition happen, like from working hustling to getting into the trucking business?
It was good. Like, when I came into the trucking, I did a long distance first in the beginning. I wasn't married at that time, but
Of course.
after the marriage, I did only short haul. Like, I was home every night or every second day type of a thing.
Inner city
Yeah,
stuff.
but when I moved to Edmonton, I came straight into the CN trucking there. The CNTL is a one sister company with the CN.
Okay.
So where I am doing a shift work, like, every morning we go to work and come back home at night time and get 2 days off.
Yeah.
Relax.
So during this whole time when you were here in the initial struggle, did you ever miss home?
Oh, I do.
Still.
Oh, yeah.
It's something different about home, no?
It is like, especially when you belong to the farmer family and you go into the fields and you smell that aroma from the soil when it is getting cultivated and you feel like, that touch. This is my home, or this is where I was. And we, like, now in these days, there are so many, you can say, exceptions to, like, cover your face, don't get a dust into your lungs, or
Fertilizers
this and that.
yeah.
But when we were there, we never felt that.
Yeah.
You go to the sugarcane field and you take the sugarcane out and you start peeling
Chewing
it
on
right
it,
there
yeah.
with your teeth and start chewing it. It is like, you feel normal, basically,
yes.
when you go into that type of environment. Like, there is no, you don't need to show anybody off, like, what you are doing.
No.
You do whatever you want to do. Your mind is relaxed. You are not worried about anything. And you just, basically, like, that is the best time. Even when I go there now, I like, even in summertime, I like to sit under the tree instead of sitting into the AC.
Of course.
You feel that breeze
That
on your
breeze,
face and
yeah.
all that, and it is quite relaxing.
Yeah, it's very much cooler than the AC.
Yeah.
I feel like
Natural.
it is natural. It is natural.
Yeah.
And that's why like us desis, we don't, no matter, like, हमारा जो gut जो है ना, gut, it's very strong
Strong.
because we've ate right from the dirt.
Yeah.
Right? Because I mean that's where we belong. And I think at the end of the day, that's where we're gonna go back and belong to it. You know what I mean?
100%.
So I think what's happening nowadays is because of a lot of materialistic stuff,
Yeah.
people are forgetting that touch. People are getting away from that touch.
Well, personally, we did ourselves, like, going to the field and taking out the radish straight from the field and just wash it right there and eat it.
Yeah.
And it felt so natural and it's sweet, actually. Like, you don't feel that
Yeah.
kadvapan.
Kadvapan.
It's nothing
Not
there. It is all natural. Even turnips, you take out straight from the field and wash it there and eat it. It, like, you name it, like,
Yeah.
if I will have a chance, I will live more there
Then here.
than here. But, like, that's how we made our life now. And
course.
those are the choices we already made.
You already made.
Yeah, and we are here with our kids. So
तो बच्चे क्या कैसे बच्चे जाते रहते हैं, उनको लेके आओ आप उनको.
बच्चे जाते रहते हैं जी. हाँ, उन्होंने देखा हुआ है सारा वहाँ का सेटअप, कैसे हॉर्सेस है, काऊ है.
Nice.
वो दे नो एवरीथिंग. बट वो अब ऐसे है जी, उनका स्कूल यहाँ का है, यहाँ पे पढ़ रहे हैं, यहाँ पे उनके फ्रेंड्स हैं, तो यहीं पे उनका मन लगेगा.
Yeah.
वो जाएंगे, विजिट करेंगे, दे विल बी हैप्पी बिकॉज दे आर गोइंग टू बी पैम्पर्ड देयर. because
Mm.
everybody is going to say like,
Yeah.
okay, because they are there only for a month
For a
or month
month.
and a half, so no problem.
Everyone knows कि ये लोग जाने वाले हैं.
So they love to visit. Even my younger son, he is always like, I want to go to India.
Yeah.
But because when he was there, whatever he asked for, like, toys or whatever, like, he was getting it without any question.
Yeah.
So that's why they love it there. But even my daughter, she's the oldest one, and she she loves to go, but she likes to shop there because of the Indian outfits and all that.
Yeah, of course. Of course. Of
So-
course. Yeah.
So for the time being, they will go. They like, my kids are pretty comfortable with that. If I will tell them I am going to go stay there for 2 months or 3 months, they don't have any problem.
Yeah. Yeah.
They will tell me to go there, but if it comes to them, then they will be there only for a month, month and a half.
Month and a half
because
max.
because of the studies and all.
Of
that.
course. Of course. Of course.
Yeah.
तो जब आपने वो ट्रांजिशन किया, जब आप कनाडा में आए, राइट, तो यू केम ऑन अ स्टूडेंट वीज़ा
No, 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 no. मेरे एक पुआ जी थे, वो यहाँ पे थे, उन्होंने मेरे को बुलाया था.
ठीक है जी.
Yeah.
ठीक है जी. So you always had a support.
Yes.
So in what I'm trying to get to is the real struggle जो first generation को जो face करनी होती है. Did you face? Obviously you faced it.
Yeah, I did face in a different way, but not like, मेरे लिए रहने के लिए कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं थी. रहने को घर था, तो छत अपने सिर पे
हाँ.
थी.
Yeah.
तो वो तो नहीं प्रॉब्लम आई कोई भी, बट changing from one culture to other. When I came to Canada, I came into a very small city, which is called Brockville. It's east of Kingston in Ontario.
In Ontario.
Yeah.
Okay.
If somebody wants to look it up,
Sure.
it's called Thousand Island City.
Okay.
There are 1,000 islands around it.
Oh wow. Okay.
Yeah, the St. Lawrence River goes right from the.
Okay.
You can not say from the middle, but from the side.
Okay.
St. Lawrence River divides Ontario and New York. On other side is the New York.
अच्छा ठीक है जी.
Yeah,
ठीक है
US का वो
हाँ.
borderline है.
समझ गया.
हाँ.
Okay.
So it's a really nice city.
Okay.
And people go there especially for those islands. And those islands are owned by individuals. It's not those islands are there.
Oh really?
Yeah. Individual people own those, and they live on those islands.
Okay.
Yeah, those are their summer homes, basically.
Okay.
Rich people.
Of course.
Yeah. And even I'm not quite sure, I don't want to give a misinformation. I heard that the Tim guy, the Tim Horton,
Tim Hortons guy. He was
Yeah.
from there.
his wife owns, because he's not with us anymore.
Of course.
But I think his wife owns one of those islands.
Islands, of course.
Yeah,
Of
yeah,
course.
And there is a one biggest thing people go to see is a Singer Castle, the Singer sewing machine.
अच्छा ठीक है जी.
They build one castle type
Oh.
structure there. It is called Singer Castle.
For their history and stuff. Maybe.
I think so.
Maybe.
But it is like, I went there, but I don't know what was the significance behind it, and maybe they bought it from somebody and they gave a name it to Singer Castle or
Right.
something like that.
Right.
But
right.
at that time, I wasn't that curious about knowing.
Knowing that.
Yeah.
ठीक है ठीक है.
Yeah.
So वहाँ पे आपने, so your Fufa ji called you, right?
Yeah.
Fufa ji, right?
Pua ji.
What is the difference?
Pua ji is the father's sister. Fufa ji is her husband.
Okay.
Yeah, so
Okay. Pua ji.
that will
Okay. ठीक है. So what work were you doing when you came here?
I started with the very first job I did. I was pretty surprised to see that myself doing that. I was pumping a gas.
Okay.
And I was when you come from a comfort zone and you had everything, and when you are pumping a gas, you feel like, what I am doing. After that, I learned the reality. These are the odd jobs we all do.
We all have to do.
And from there, I need to build myself up. And that's how everybody motivated me too. From where we were living, the people were really successful in their businesses and in their works. in that town, I just want to share one more thing with you. There were only 35 Indian families.
Okay.
Maybe 15 to 18 were Punjabi.
Mm-hmm.
Rest of them were
Everything mix,
South Indian or like, Tamil or like, I don't know.
mix.
But bond was so strong.
Mm.
We do like, one get together
Mm-hmm.
every month. We used to do that
Okay.
there. And everybody knows each other. And what is going to make you surprised, which is we had 10 Indian doctors in that city.
Wow. Wow. So just out of 35 families.
Yeah.
Wow.
So which is pretty good.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
and everybody like got along pretty easy, and they give you a really friendly advice
Mm.
what to do and all that.
ठीक है.
Even the doctors, no issues. They will sit with you. They will talk with you.
Yeah.
It is not that like you
Yeah.
are doing this or that.
Of course.
Like
Of course.
there was nothing like that,
Yeah.
and it was really friendly town. I
Of
would
course.
say.
And ये आप 98 की आप बात कर रहे हो, right? So uh, it's not it's a fact कि हम जो I wouldn't say Indians but like Desis in general, why do you think what makes us so successful no matter where we go in the world? Why do you think that? Is it the upbringing? What is it?
In my opinion, we were not pampered.
Okay.
So we were pushed to the limit. Do this. Go out. Suppose if I need to go to the field, I have to go to the field.
Mm.
Like when I was growing up, my biggest job was to bring the milk from the farm.
Mm.
So it doesn't matter it's on the scooter or on the cycle. One way or the other, I had to go.
You have to go.
So either way, like so those are the things I think people like even the parents, they were giving you the proper guidance, and they were making sure like you will be successful.
Mm.
It doesn't matter like you will get to the that extent of the education or not, but you will not fail. Basically, there was an in between.
Mm.
You need to go up there. You need
Yeah.
to survive. You need to do things.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, and I think that also comes from जो जुगाड़ बोलते हैं ना, जुगाड़ो mindset
yeah,
कि जुगाड़ है, right? So that's not a जुगाड़ just in any small little things. It's about anything in life. right?
anything in life.
कि कुछ भी हो गया, हमने
There's a
बैठना नहीं.
fallback plan basically. Like there is always a fallback plan. अगर आप यहाँ पे सक्सेस नहीं होंगे तो यहाँ पे होगे.
Hmm.
तो one way or the other they will make sure like you know
Right.
everything.
Right. So obviously you didn't have that big of a struggle obviously when you first came, but when you were pumping fuel, right? And now that you go back to India, ठीक है ना? Do you respect the mediocre jobs that
Oh,
much
100%.
more?
100%. Because here what I learned is a you can say
You can also say in Punjabi, bhai, it's okay, relax.
हाँ, नहीं. No, जो मेरे को लग रहा है मैं ये सोच रहा हूँ जब मैं जो सोचता ਹਾਂ
Hmm.
ਇੱਥੇ ਆਣ ਕੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਹਿਊਮਨ ਵੈਲਿਊ ਦਾ ਪਤਾ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਹੈ.
Hmm. Yes.
ਦੈਨ ਯੂ ਨੋ ਕਿ ਵੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੂੰ ਟਰੀਟ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ.
Yes.
ਤਾਂ ਜੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਜੇ ਵੀ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਕੋਈ ਰਿਸਪੈਕਟ ਕਰੇ ਦੈਨ ਯੂ ਨੀਡ ਟੂ ਗਿਵ ਦੈਟ ਰਿਸਪੈਕਟ
Of course.
So that's what I learned.
Treat others the way you want to be treated,
Want to be treated. That's so true.
right?
Yeah.
And then जब वहाँ पे जो होता है ना, so वहाँ पे the privileged or whatever you want to call it, they just think that these people are not needed in life,
Not
but
existed.
not existence,
Yeah.
and we are just doing them a big favor by hiring them.
हाँ,
It's not
yeah.
that, right?
But जब आप यहाँ से जाते हैं तो फिर वो पता चलता है.
Yeah.
Even मैं जब भी जाता हूँ उनको बोल के आता हूँ आपको किसी चीज की जरूरत हो मेरे को बताना.
Of course,
किसी
of
से
course.
बात करने की जरूरत नहीं मेरे को बताओ.
Yeah. I think this country is big on that. I think it opens your mind.
Yeah.
Right. It opens your mind. कि यार, you thought you were a top back in India. You are nobody.
Yeah. Yeah. 100%. 100%. Yeah.
Right. And I'll talk about myself. I get that. कभी-कभी पता क्या होता है कि इंसान को है ना एक चमाटपन नहीं चाहिए लाइफ में. और रेगुलरली भी पढ़नी चाहिए कहीं कई बार. So for me, when I think life is so difficult, or there's too much in my life, or that I'm so important in life, I take a trip to the mountains, right?
Yeah.
And I look at the mountains, and I'm like, they're so much bigger than me and
Yeah.
all my problems.
Yeah.
So it just humbles you,
That's so true.
right? Right? How do you recalibrate? Do you have a process?
नहीं, कोई प्रोसेस नहीं है इसका. ये तो आपके अंदर से ही वो आ जाएगी, तो तभी होगा.
Right.
Yeah. So
Right. Cool.
इसका प्रोसेस अगर आप ढूंढने लगेंगे तो वो तो सारा दिन आप प्रोसेस ही ढूंढते रहेंगे भी मैं कैसे करूंगा इसको.
अच्छा.
तो
Chale. So getting back to your trucking career, what inspired you to get into the trucking career? Because that's been the biggest amount of your life.
yeah. After the pumping the gas, I went into the taxi business there, where I was. Sorry.
That's
And वो मैंने 1 साल के लिए किया. उसके बाद ट्रकिंग वाज द वेरी बिग थिंग. Oh yeah, become a trucker and
yeah.
like you know,
Money is good and
money
listen.
is good and all that. And,
Yeah.
And मेरे को एक चांस भी चाहिए था बाहर निकल के देखने के लिए. Because I did the trucking, I think majority of the US states.
Okay.
Yeah, just a few of the states I didn't go.
Really?
Just few. I think I didn't go to California that much, but up to Texas and northern, you can say Eastern Seaboard. Eastern Seaboard is those small states, Connecticut, Maine, Vermont. I did those.
So you did the Pacific and the Atlantic.
Yeah, yeah. So वो भी देखने का शौक था. एक तो मैंने वो देख लिया, दूसरा ये देख लिया भी हार्ड कितना है बाहर रहना घर से. तो वो भी समझ आ गया.
Yeah.
So then I decided no, this is not for me long haul. I will do the short haul. And
That's short haul.
yeah, then I got into that.
Yeah. When you talk about and this is another controversial stuff that I'm talking about, but recently abhi ho raha hai. There's this thing against Punjabis or Indians or whatever ke in the trucking business specifically. There's been a lot of accidents that has happened in the US, right?
That is really unfortunate.
Yeah.
एक्सीडेंट होते हैं. मैं ये नहीं बोलता भी एक्सीडेंट का मतलब ही ये है अभी एक्सीडेंटली नोबडी डू इट पर्पसली.
Yeah.
बट वो जो रिसेंट हुए हैं एक्सीडेंट, उनमें एक तो थोड़ा सा वो होने के कारण आजकल जो टेक्नोलॉजी है, inside cameras in the trucks and all that brought those things out, like who was driving, especially like when your identity is different than others, so that comes out quite quickly.
Yes.
Or we don't know who leaked those videos and all, because वो ट्रक में वो जो बंदा खुद चला रहा है वो तो वीडियो नहीं ना भेजेगा किसी को.
नहीं.
यार ये
No, of course.
So why those were leaked and why वो सभी को एक ही नज़र से क्यों देख रहे हैं. मेरे को ट्रक चलाते हुए आज I would say I started in 2000.
25 years. 24 years.
Properly by myself. 2001 to now, around 25 years. And touch wood, like
Nothing.
I never had any issue.
Yeah. Yeah.
So yeah, वहाँ पे थोड़ी बहुत नेग्लिजेंस भी हो सकती है, बट इट इज़ नॉट दैट कि भी आप क्योंकि एक्सीडेंट रिसेंटली हुए भी काफ़ी हैं और उनमें जब अपने लोगों से होता है तो वो उन्हीं को ज़्यादा उभार के क्यों लेके आते हैं वो मेरे को मालूम नहीं है.
Yeah, I feel like it's an algorithm thing, right? कि अगर आप देखें, so in downtown, I'm not gonna name the race, but the normal people, if they do any mess ups, that is not as highlighted as if somebody from our community, Desi community, it gets highlighted way more.
Yeah, 100%.
Right? And I think the way I look at it, when the COVID was there, Chinese people were targeted.
Yeah.
Okay. Then after that, whatever happened, then the Muslims were highlighted.
Yeah.
and then now the Indians slash Punjabis and everyone's getting highlighted.
Yeah.
I think it's a trend,
It's a trend. Yeah.
It's a trend.
That is so true.
right?
Even like, there are so many accidents on a Highway 1,
Yeah,
Trans Canada. And majority of the times, like, you will see those people are at fault who are in majority here, but
Yeah.
they don't highlight those things.
yeah.
It goes
At that
just as
at that time, it's in nature.
Nature,
Like
yeah.
it just happened,
Yeah.
right? You know what I mean?
that's true.
But then if somebody from our not saying that हमारी गलतियां नहीं है, हमारी गलतियां भी होगी, right?
डेफिनेटली
हाँ, right?
क्योंकि एक्सीडेंट होता ही नेग्लिजेंस के साथ है कहीं ना कहीं तो कुछ ना कुछ चूक होती है तो इसीलिए होता है
Yeah,
बट देयर आर सो मेनी अदर फैक्टर्स टू वी नीड टू ब्रिंग दैट इन कंसिडरेशन
yeah,
वेदर का फैक्टर भी है
Yeah.
वो आपका
yeah.
वो चीटिंग का जो स्टाइल है वो उसका भी फैक्टर है
Yes,
देयर आर
yes.
सो मेनी थिंग्स
There are so many things, and I feel like कि जो standards जो हैं, जो licensing के जो standards हैं, I think you know better, but I think मैंने कुछ I heard कि they are tightening up the screws a little bit
yeah
on the
they are,
licensing
they are,
processes.
they are especially for the commercial license.
Yes,
So you need a certain amount of time in the vehicle before you start driving on the road.
yeah,
Yeah,
and I think it's very very crucial.
it is.
It is very very crucial.
Especially like when you are hauling close to 104,000 pound altogether.
Yeah, yeah,
You need to have a skill set
yeah.
to control
To control.
that big beast.
Yeah, and then when the weather comes in, like
Yeah.
winter, slippery conditions, and all that,
Yeah.
that plays a massive role as well.
Massive role.
Right.
100%.
And I also want to highlight, like, just this is like a follow-up thing, but you came back in 1998, right? So that's what, almost 30 years now?
Almost 30 years.
Almost 30 years? Wow. I'm almost 30. Well, I'm 34. But जब आप आए थे
We don't want to tell anybody
no,
that.
no, this is all going. This is all going. So जब आप आए थे, right? Versus जब अभी नए लोग जो आ रहे हैं, what do you think is the biggest difference in the mindset? हमारे लोग की बात कर रहा हूँ, दूसरे सब तो छोड़ दो.
माइंडसेट की बात आप करें तो वो मोस्टली तो जो भी आ रहे हैं इट डिपेंड्स ऑन इन व्हाट कंडीशन दे आर कमिंग इन लाइक स्टूडेंट्स आ रहे हैं उनके माइंड में यही है अभी कनाडा जाना है वहाँ पे सेटल होना है ठीक है ना कोई बंदा फैमिली के साथ आ रहा है ऑन फैमिली बिजनेसेस और सॉरी फैमिली बिजनेस बोल रहा हूँ फैमिली क्लास में आ रहा है किसी की वाइफ बुला रही है कोई किसी अपनी वाइफ को बुला रहा है तो उनके माइंड में जो उनकी जो है कश्मकश वो थोड़ी डिफरेंट है सो मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स का जो है वो तो यही है अभी अगर आ गए हैं यहाँ पे तो यहाँ पे सेटल भी होना है तो यहाँ पे रहना कैसे है तो कैसे पीआर का अपना करना है जुगाड़ बोल लो या
हाँ जुगाड़. So I want to highlight that. So जो बेसिकली जो विजिटर पे आ रहे हैं, ठीक है ना, फिर उसको फिर चेंज करवाने के लिए कोशिश कर रहे हैं, that stuff. And nothing against them. See, अच्छे बुरे लोग, in every situation there is good and bad people, right? But I feel like जो अभी recently जो people are picking on the brown people, ठीक है ना, specifically brown people, is because we are giving them the reason. And we in the sense कि जो नए लोग जो आ रहे हैं, जो नए बच्चे जो आ रहे हैं, वो लोग के बस ये है कि भाई हम तो इंडिया ही जा रहे हैं. भाई तू इंडिया नहीं आ रहा, तू कनाडा आ रहा है. इधर के तौर तरीके होते हैं कोई, right? If you want to do the things you want to do here thinking this is back home, then you're better off in back home. We saw that, and we will get to that, but we saw that when we both contested for the elections. I'll get to that. Because there is so much of the stuff that we do that is on the streets, you can see it visibly nowadays.
that reflects on the whole community basically.
Yes.
That is
Yes.
that is the issue. But personally, I will not paint everybody.
No, I'm not. I don't.
With the one brush.
Yeah.
But कुछ लोग हैं जो प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट करते हैं, जो क्रिएट करते हैं उनको मालूम है वो प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट कर रहे हैं दूसरों के लिए.
Yeah.
बट जो सेंसिबल लोग हैं वो भी उसके बीच में ही आ जाते हैं.
No, man, that's what I'm trying to say.
Yeah.
कि because of the handful,
Yeah.
पूरी कम्युनिटी की बर्बादी हो रही है,
हाँ,
लाइक
हो
पूरी
रही है,
कम्युनिटी को पेंट हो रहा है, ठीक है ना,
बिल्कुल 100%।
कि दे विल नॉट सी हु इज संदीप सिंह, दे विल सी ओ दिस गाय बिलोंग्स टू द गाय विद बियर्ड एंड द टर्बन,
टर्बन, या
ठीक है ना,
100%। You
they
are
will not see me
easy,
ke,
easy target
yeah,
basically.
they will not see me ke I've lived more than half my life here, I did my education from here, because the way I look, without even me speaking to them, they make a judgment about me,
Yeah,
which is what I don't like,
yeah,
right? And I think we have a long way to go to bring that reputation back,
that 100%.
ठीक है ना? And I think the only way that would happen, and I think me and you have talked a lot off camera about what we can do together
Yeah,
to bring not just the Gujarati and Punjabi community together, but I think all the communities under one umbrella.
yeah,
Once we unite and we come out strong, कि भाई this is, those people are also us, but this is also us.
yeah,
You don't let the 5% define the another 95%,
100%.
right? So I think that is very, very important.
या लाइक जब हम कंटेस्ट कर रहे थे, आपको तो मालूम ही है, 2-3 चीज़ें आती थी जो जब भी आप जाते थे किसी नेबरहुड में। एक तो स्पीडिंग की थी,
Yes.
दूसरा लाउड नॉइस कार्स। सो वो है तो 5% होगी या 10%, 5% होगी मैक्सिमम। तो दैट इज़ नॉट लाइक वो काम, जैसे वो सीधा सीधा बोलते हैं ना, वो काम हमको शोभा नहीं देते।
हाँ,
ठीक है कि नहीं? हम
जैसे दिवाली के फटाके,
या
दिवाली के फटाके भी बोलते हो आप।
हाँ, दिवाली के पटाखों का that was a big issue.
Very
Like,
big issue.
Even our debate, they did ask that question.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on a second. So before we get into that, Sandeep ji ran for the city council. Okay, I wanted to ask you this before we get into that. We will get to it. Sorry, I didn't mean to cut you off.
Sure, no problem.
But what inspired you to, from trucking to get into the politics? Now go.
मैंने जब ट्रकिंग स्टार्ट की ना यहाँ पे आके भाई इन एडमिंटन, 2011 में मैंने स्टार्ट की सीएन के साथ जॉब, एंड 2012 में मैंने यहाँ पे मैं यूनियन में चला गया, यूनियन की पोजीशन पे, which is called shop steward, which is not a very big thing, but you are representing your unit there.
ठीक है.
And at that time there was a problem with our manager and all that, and
Okay.
And people were so scared, and that person was bullying
you.
Not me, my other colleagues,
Okay.
but nobody wants to stand up to him. And then everybody thought कि भी ये बंदा है, थोड़ा बोलता है,
इसको आगे करो.
इसको आगे करो। तो चलो हम हो गए आगे, ठीक है, हमारी फितरत है भी, हम तो जाएंगे, लड़ेंगे,
of course.
देखेंगे अपने लोगों के लिए क्या कर सकते हैं, तो किया
Of
हमने।
course.
तो वो वहाँ पे गए, उससे बातचीत की, उससे हुआ, पहले तो कोई सोल्यूशन नहीं निकला, बाद में सभी के साथ बैठ के बात की, अपने जितने भी बंदे थे, यार भी इसका कुछ ना कुछ तो करना ही पड़ेगा ना, अदरवाइज तो ही इज गोइंग टू पुश अस अराउंड। तो देन वी डिड एजिटेशन टू, लाइक
Okay.
एंड फिर वो कंपनी के थोड़े से कान खुले भी, हाँ यहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम है, जो बंदे बोल रहे हैं बार बार भी, ये बंदा सुन नहीं रहा
It's a
है,
concern.
बात नहीं करता ठीक तरीके से। उसकी वो फितरत थी आपको जो नीचा दिखाना, जब भी जाओगे बात करने के लिए।
Insecure person.
हाँ, तो
निशानी।
वो उसकी टेक केयर की हमने फिर। तो टेक केयर करने के बाद मैं 9 साल यूनियन का रिप्रेजेंटेटिव रहा।
Okay.
कंटिन्यूसली। फिर पिछली जो टर्म थी वो मैंने नहीं की ड्यू टू सम रीजंस, एंड इस टर्म में दोबारा मैं फिर कर रहा हूँ। तो वो था जुनून भी, हाँ करना है, कुछ तो करना है, ठीक है कि नहीं। तो इसीलिए वहीं से जो इंस्पिरेशन मिली भी, हाँ भी हम कर सकते हैं, अगर जाएंगे लड़ेंगे कम्युनिटी के लिए, कुछ ना कुछ तो करेंगे। तो इसीलिए हम इधर को आ गए। बट वो जो होता है ना अभी, आप सोच के कुछ और आते हैं, होता कुछ और है। I want to just give you a brief before somebody will ask you a question about that thing. ये जो हमारी कंपनी है ये यूनियनाइज कंपनी है,
Mm-hmm.
यहाँ पे यूनियन है, यूनियन is abide by their own rules and regulations. There
I'm
are
sure.
contracts and there are everything is in place, and unions are regulated by federal government.
Okay.
Yeah, आप फेडरल की स्ट्रक्चर के नीचे आते हैं.
Mm.
तो हुआ क्या अभी ये यूनियन के बीच में जब काम स्लो हुआ तो कुछ बंदों को ले ऑफ ही हो गई. तो मैं वो गया था अपने, है ना,
Halifax गए थे अभी आप?
नहीं
अच्छा, sorry.
वरिंदर बुल्लर जी के फेसबुक लाइव पे, सॉरी.
हाँ जी, हाँ, you went there. Yes.
There was one brief question under that
Okay.
segment. Oh, why he got laid off some people for his own benefit. There is nobody's benefit.
अच्छा. So there was an allegation.
Negative type of
There was an allegation on you that you laid off some people.
I am not a company's CEO.
हाँ, of course.
I am representing the
Right.
members, and whatever the written is into the their contract, the company is going to obey that or going to follow that. And there was an issue, and they thought there is a overhiring and all that, and the work was slow, so they laid off the people, but people are still blaming, like, you know, that is in our you can say in our nature. We, instead of taking the responsibility, we like to blame somebody for something.
Yeah, so instead of internalizing it and instead of taking it with a chin up,
Yeah,
we always seem to be blaming people.
blaming people, like, you know.
Right.
So वो चीज़ मेरे को नहीं ठीक लगा वैसे तो. ब्लेम, क्योंकि मैं ब्लेम गेम में कोई ज़्यादा बिलीव नहीं करता. तो मेरा पहले ये था कि आई शुड पोस्ट दैट कलेक्टिव एग्रीमेंट ऑन द फेसबुक, बिकॉज उसके बाद थोड़ी सी नेगेटिविटी आई लोगों की तरफ से भी, क्योंकि लोगों ने क्वेश्चन पूछना स्टार्ट कर दिया. हाँ भी आपने बंदों को, people don't know, like, you know, what is going on, how people get laid off, but they start asking you the question, like, you know, where you, they put you at the spot, and they will try to ask you, like, you know, okay, you did this, you are the bad person, but you need to see, like, you know, the full picture.
Yeah.
Or ask somebody to give me the proper explanation how that happens and what happens. But anyway, that is not the, we are not sitting here for that, like, that
To be very honest,
Yeah.
I'll sum it up this way.
yeah
The moment you have to explain yourself,
yeah it's
it's already too late.
Yeah.
And some people don't even want your explanation. They just want to blame you because that's the easiest way to do.
easiest way to
They
do
will blame you, they'll comment on your thing, and they'll move on.
it. Yeah
Right?
so very simple. So मेरे कहने का मतलब ये था, अभी वो पॉलिटिक्स में शुरू से ही हैं,
अच्छा.
तो वो था कि कुछ
Yeah.
करें,
Yeah.
अपनों के लिए कुछ
अपनों
करें,
के लिए कुछ करें.
निकलें बाहर उनको क्योंकि वो बात जो थी ना मेन, वो स्टार्टिंग में जो बताना चाह रहा था वो ये थी कि nobody knew about the union in our company until I became the shop steward. We did make everybody aware. This is how union works. This is how it goes on. This is the process. But जब आपने सभी को एजुकेट कर दिया तब वो आप ही की तरफ हो गए. समझे कि नहीं?
Yeah,
तो
समझ गए.
मेरा कहने का मतलब ये था कि हम गए हैं लोगों में, लोगों से बात की, लोगों ने अपनी प्रॉब्लम्स बताई. वो बता रहे हैं स्पीडिंग की प्रॉब्लम है जी, लाउड कार्स की प्रॉब्लम है, पटाखों की प्रॉब्लम है, स्ट्रीट क्राइम की प्रॉब्लम है. तो सारा कुछ बता के, तो अगर आप आउट ऑफ 12 8 वही लोग लेके आ रहे हैं जो पहले थे इनकम्बेंट,
Yeah.
सो आपने चेंज आप कहाँ पे लेके आए हो?
Yeah.
ये मैं ये नहीं कह रहा भी हाँ उनको मेरे को चुनना चाहिए था.
Precisely. Yes. Yeah.
देयर वाज अ चॉइस,
Yeah.
लाइक, यू नो, वहाँ पे मैं अकेला नहीं था, वहाँ पे पूरे का पूरा प्लेटफॉर्म था, और भी लोग लड़ रहे थे. हाँ, मेरे को नहीं वोट डाल रहे तो किसी और को डाल दो.
Yeah. Let's have a new face.
लेट्स हैव अ न्यू फेस एंड सी, लाइक, यू नो, व्हाट दैट पर्सन डज.
Exactly.
तो
Exactly.
वो क्या है, हमारे लोगों की समस्या यही है, वो बोलेंगे कुछ, करेंगे कुछ.
Yeah. Why do you?
मतलब ये नहीं भी मैं उनके
नहीं. I see what you mean. आप ये नहीं बोल रहे कि भाई मुझे क्यों नहीं लेके आए.
हाँ.
आप ये बोल रहे हो कि अगर आपको इतना मसला है इन लोग से,
हाँ
ठीक है ना, तो फिर why don't you go out and try somebody different?
different, yeah,
है ना
100%.
कुछ ट्राई डिफरेंट करो. बट व्हाई डू आई वांट टू डू अ फॉलो अप क्वेश्चन. व्हाई डू यू थिंक ये जो वोटर टर्नआउट जो था, व्हाई वाज इट सो लो? एंड दिस वाज हिस्टोरिकली लो,
Historically low, 100%.
राइट? व्हाई डू यू थिंक दैट इज?
बिकॉज लोग यार एंगेज ही नहीं होना चाहते. वो बाद में तो कंप्लेन करेंगे, जब टाइम है उस टाइम पे एंगेज नहीं होंगे उस इशू के साथ, उस मैटर के साथ. बाद में बोलेंगे ये नहीं हो रहा, वो नहीं हो रहा, ये क्यों नहीं हो रहा, स्नो नहीं साफ़ हो रही, अब सड़कों में पाड होल्स बहुत हैं यहाँ पे ये नहीं है, वहाँ पे वो नहीं है. तो अगर आप एंगेज ही नहीं होगे तो वो होगा कैसे?
डू यू थिंक मे बी
नीड्स योर एंगेजमेंट.
do you think maybe because there's way too many choices? देखो मेयर में 13 लोग थे if I'm not mistaken.
यस,
ठीक है ना?
12 थे या 13?
12-13 लोग थे.
12-13 थे.
काउंसलर में ईच वार्ड में से मिनिमम 5 से 6 थे मिनिमम. ठीक है,
हमारे वाली वार्ड में से 8 थे.
8 थे. ट्रस्टी में भी मिनिमम 3 से 4 तो थे ही.
थे.
ठीक है. सो डू यू थिंक अ ह्यूमन नेचर इज़ लाइक यार मैं सारों का मैं रिसर्च करूँगा, ठीक है ना, फिर मैंने जैकेट पहनी है, फिर मैंने जाना है वोटिंग करने, और वो भी दिवाली के दिन. अरे छड्डे यार मैं घर पे बैठता हूँ.
पर चलो मैं दिवाली को ब्लेम नहीं करूंगा यहाँ पे.
हाँ, we had 5 days. They had 5 days.
We had a 5 days in
Yeah.
advance poll.
Yeah,
Uh,
yeah.
at your convenience, like the timing was perfect, like
Yeah.
अगर आप सुबह नहीं कर सकते तो शाम को जाके वोट कर सकते थे, क्योंकि until 8 o'clock
Yeah.
you had at that time until 8 o'clock.
Hmm.
तो वो पहुंचे नहीं लोग. दूसरी बात जो इस इलेक्शन में मैंने देखी है वो थी फ्रॉडुलेंट वोट्स की.
Hmm.
तो उसकी वजह से भी मेरे को लगता है कुछ लोग डिसअपॉइंट हुए होंगे. कुछ जो हमारे हैं Canadian community, you can say,
Yeah.
they went out in a force and they did vote because they thought we are all
We're all fraudies. We're all fraudsters.
yeah.
Yeah.
So जो मेरे को लग रहा है,
हाँ.
तो that is the
And we
possibility.
did see that. We did see that since day one.
Yeah.
कि जो गोरों की तादाद जो थी, they were much more overpowering than all of us.
Yeah.
Right?
तो उसका रीज़न था कोई ना कोई.
Yeah.
अदरवाइज हमारी कम्युनिटी में भी लोग हैं जो घर पे ही हैं, जाके वोट डाल सकते थे, पर वो नहीं डाली किसी ने.
नहीं डाली. No, that's very that's 100%. So, what was your overall experience running for? I know, okay, and how was the balancing? I know you almost took some time off
Yeah.
from work.
Yeah.
You had to.
Yeah, without that you cannot do anything. Experience was quite good. I learned a lot, and I'm still in a learning process. I have another 4 years. I will learn. And I will come back.
Yeah.
And मेरा तो सिर्फ यही है भी, मैं तो इसीलिए रन कर, देखें जी, मैं बाहर गया, रन किया, लोगों के बीच में भी बात की, तो वो जो कमेंट्स है ना भी, आर यू कनेडियन बॉर्न, आर यू लाइक फ्रॉम हेयर, दोज मेरे हिसाब से वो चीज़ें मैटर नहीं करती. मैटर ये करती है भी आपको जो भी कोई मसला चल रहा है उसके ऊपर आपकी कितनी पकड़ है. आप लोगों के साथ खड़े होंगे कि आप सिटी के साथ जो मतलब के ऑर्डिनेंस आ रहा है उसके साथ खड़े होंगे, जो आपके लोगों के की बेटरमेंट के लिए उसके साथ खड़े होना. उसमें तो कनेडियन या इमिग्रेंट का कोई मतलब ही नहीं. आई एम फर्स्ट जनरेशन कनेडियन. आई माइट नॉट बी, आई वुड से मैं अपनी जुबान को वैसे नहीं घुमा फिरा सकता जैसे यहाँ के बच्चे घुमा फिरा सकते हैं, बट मैं अपनी बात रखने में सक्षम हूँ, वो मैं रख सकता हूँ. ठीक है ना. व्हाट इज़ रॉन्ग एंड व्हाट इज़ राइट, आई नो दैट. राइट. तो वो मेरे को वही चाहिए. तो मैं इसलिए भी रन कर रहा था. एक जो देना चाह रहा था वहाँ पे, वो ये चीज़ देनी चाह रहा था भी इन कनाडा वी आर ऑल इक्वल, डजंट मैटर. आई एम अ कनेडियन सिटीजन, दैट्स व्हाई आई एम रनिंग. लाइक ये नहीं है भी मैं यहाँ पे बॉर्न नहीं हूँ तो मैं सिटीजन नहीं हूँ. मैं सिटीजन हूँ तो इसीलिए रन कर रहा हूँ. ऑफ कोर्स. वेरी सिंपल एंड प्लेन. एंड even there was one question, like in same Facebook live, somebody did ask about what did I do about bullying in school. अगर मेरे पास कोई भी इशू आएगा स्कूल की बुलिंग का, So I will take a firm stand on that.
Yeah.
If I'm not aware of uh, the issue,
Yeah.
how would, like, should I walk into the school and ask them, like, is there any bullying issue?
Yeah.
I, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Yeah.
And I can teach my kids,
To stay in the boundaries.
yeah,
And to
don't do a bullying,
yeah.
don't get bullied by others.
Yes.
Like,
That's
that
it.
will be my
Teachings.
teaching to them.
Yeah.
But not like, what did I do for the bullying? Like, I'm not in that position
Yeah.
to do anything. If something will come to me,
Yeah.
I will take a firm
Or elect me, and then we'll see.
then yeah, then you will see what I can do for them.
Yeah. Exactly.
But not before that.
Yeah, it's like how do you highlight it? Like
Yeah.
there's no possible way. I mean, yeah, I mean you could, if you see, बहुत simple है कि if they're doing elections and we saw कि council में there was a lot of mayor was a lot of issues with the mayor, city is going through a lot of issues and stuff, right? So we should have technically had a new set of people
Yeah.
taking over, right? But that never happened. So I think it almost feels like people were okay with वो बोलता है ना कि okay, we know this guy is bad, चलो ये भी चलेगा, but we don't know this guy, we don't want to bet on this guy. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So they're like, okay, he's bad, but we don't know how bad this guy is.
Yeah.
It's not even about good anymore.
Oh, that's so true. Good तो वो ढूंढने की कोशिश ही नहीं
कोशिश नहीं कर रहे, right? Because see, they all in their head. I mean, obviously it's the media and everything that feeds them. कि भाई, oh, you got into politics, everything is bad.
Yeah.
Well, then तो तू आजा काके. You come and you do it, right? It's so much easier to be on the sidelines and talk about something,
Yeah.
right? That's what I did myself. Like I was given the opportunity. Okay, you know what? There is something like this, and I said, you know what? The chances of me winning this is 1 in a million or 1 in a billion. ठीक है ना? But the reason why I got in is so I can learn the process.
Learn the process. Yeah.
Learn the process, and also learn कि just sending your kids to school and kissing them goodbye and hoping and praying that everything will be fine when they come home,
yeah.
that's not true.
No.
There's a lot more to it,
Yeah.
right? So when I contested for this election, I had a lot of people approach me and they're like, what are you doing again? People don't know, which is fair.
Yeah.
And I'm so glad that I could be that person or that resource for anyone out there. If you're following us on YouTube or any community, I'm only a phone call away. I will give my limited amount of knowledge as to how we did, like what goes on in schools and why it is so concerning nowadays.
Yeah.
Right?
100%.
So जब आप उस काउंसिलर के लिए जब रन कर रहे थे, so how was your, like, obviously, how was your prep? Like, what did you have to do to prep yourself? Because you have to, obviously, for counselors, it's a big role. It's not a small role by any means.
Yeah, 100%.
So what did you have to learn? Like in the sense के like जो bylaws जो होते हैं ये वो, did you spend a lot of time? Obviously.
Bylaws के ऊपर जो थी वो मैंने थोड़ी रिसर्च की थी, ज़्यादा नहीं. जो करंट चल रहे थे तो उसमें मेन इश्यूज जो हमको पता चले वो तो ज़्यादा डोर पे जाके पता चले जब आप when you did the interaction with the people.
Right.
And I did almost do over close to 23,000 door.
23,000 doors.
Doors.
Wow.
And the issues, like you learn about the real issues at the door, basically, like when you do the conversation, especially like about the taxes, the property tax and all that, affordability. After that, the biggest issue was homelessness, and उसके बाद जो ट्रांजिट का इशू था वो सारे हमने डोर्स पे जाके तो उसको गैदर करके हमने बाद में उसके ऊपर स्टडी स्टार्ट किया. व्हाट इज़ द प्रॉब्लम, व्हाई दीज थिंग्स आर नॉट गेटिंग फिक्स्ड. सो तो ऐसे हमने अपने आप को एजुकेट किया इश्यूज के साथ.
Right. Was there any problem that you knew up front कि भाई this is the major problem and this is affecting me and my family's everyday life?
Oh, that is the property tax.
Yeah.
Because like every month you see that money going out from your account, basically,
Yeah.
honestly.
Yeah.
And after that the core services, like, we need to talk about those too, like, potholes, uh, cleaning the parks, and snow removal.
Yeah.
Those things are affecting, because when you see those young kids walking uh, towards the bus stops in the morning in a half of it snow, you feel sorry,
Yeah.
like, what is going on. They are like, okay, yeah, we are living in a snow country, that is fine, but we are living in a 21st century, and we have resources to clean that thing up
Yeah.
off. It is not that, like, we are still uh, in 18s or 19, like,
1900s. Yeah.
so we don't, there are equipments to clean that thing, and there
Yeah.
are the city is getting a money for that,
Yeah.
to get it clean and all that, but those
Not a lot of, not a good budget allocations
yeah,
and all
no,
that.
no, not at all.
Not at all.
And those things were
Were major.
bothering me, actually,
That was a
and
major thing.
I seen kid, like, especially those young kids walking towards the bus stop with their big backpack, and they are walking like, they
Yeah.
are doing the mountain climbing kind of a thing. It is, it's it's really disturbing, basically, like,
Yeah.
especially, like, for those. Uh, I would say, like, those kids go through a lot, like, when they use the transit
Yeah.
to
Yeah. Of course.
go to their, even go to the work or go to the school. Either way,
Yeah.
it is a lot.
Yeah. Yeah. After the election was over, Sandeep ji, maine na, so I told my friends, and they were like, "Oh, how was the experience?" I said, you know, you, I think everyone must contest once.
Yeah,
You know,
to know.
it well, to know what your worth is in the society,
Yeah,
A, and also the people that call you, only a phone call away. It's a easiest thing. Now you call those people and the phone calls don't pick up
yeah,
or anything like that. So I think it taught me a big lesson. You know what I mean? And I would not hold it against anybody. I mean,
no, no, we don't need to.
people are busy in their lives. If I put myself in that situation, I would also do what they did or whatever they did,
Yeah,
right?
but now we know how important it is to go out
To
and
go out
vote, and
and network.
educate our kids
Yes.
regarding that, or our even close circle, like,
Yeah.
friends or family, like, how important it is to go out there and vote.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter who you are voting for.
Hmm.
You want to vote liberal, you vote liberal. You want to vote conservative, vote conservative. You want to vote NDP, vote NDP.
Yeah.
But go out there and vote.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter
Yeah.
who you vote,
Yeah.
but do vote.
After the election was over, I heard Australia, everyone has to vote.
Yeah,
It's mandatory.
it's mandatory.
Yeah.
Yes.
And if you are too sick or something like that, you need to have a doctor's note or a very, very valid reason.
Even here is one provision.
Hmm.
You can take 2 hours off from your work,
Yeah.
but people still don't do it.
Mm.
If you are getting paid for 2 hours to go vote,
Go vote.
they
But I
can do
think
that.
but I think वो तो federal के लिए है ना वो? Is it for city as well?
I think it is for all the votes.
Is it?
This is my understanding.
Okay.
Because vote is a vote, I think.
I think it's mostly for federal, but you might be right. I don't know. I haven't
I
done.
don't know either, but
Acha.
because this is a hard save, we didn't go into the
MLA or
constitution and
MA, yeah.
start,
Reading all that
reading
stuff.
it,
Yeah.
like, but
Yeah,
we
yeah.
should. But I think it is for in my, because municipal election is not a small election.
It's not.
It's a
not,
big election.
Not by any means. I mean, it affects your everyday life. I think it's a big. I think I would say it's bigger than MP or MLA, man.
Yeah.
To be very honest, because
It is your day-to-day thing.
yeah, exactly,
It's,
exactly. So, I wanted to talk to you about your involvement in the Punjabi community. I know you're active, very active, moderately active,
moderately active.
moderately active. Okay, tell me about that. What drives your passion for the community work?
कम्युनिटी के बीच में जाना, अपने लोगों से बात करना, उनकी प्रॉब्लम को सुनना, प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करना, दैट मेक्स यू, लाइक, स्पेशली जब आपको कॉल करके पूछता है ना, यार ये प्रॉब्लम है, इसको कैसे सॉल्व करें,
Hmm.
you feel like, you know something,
Yeah.
and you are helping somebody. That makes you going, like, you want to be more connected into
Yeah.
those sense.
Mm.
And that is, like, that is honor, basically, you know,
Yes.
when
Yes.
somebody is asking you something, and
Yeah.
that
It doesn't it feel like a big responsibility on your shoulder?
yes. Or sometimes you make a, you can say, good decisions for somebody,
Mm.
and if it is wrong, then it falls on you.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean,
You are under the burden.
yeah, I'll say something, but I'm gonna repeat myself. But I think there's no good or bad decisions. I think
Yeah.
it's about how you perceive them.
According to the situation, everything is good. Like,
Yes.
when situation changes, people think, like,
Yeah.
it was bad
Yeah. Yeah.
or it was good
Yeah.
afterwards.
Yeah.
Like,
Right.
yeah,
Right. Right.
yeah.
What's the biggest challenge you think our people are facing nowadays in Edmonton? Our community is facing nowadays in Edmonton.
The biggest challenge, what we are facing is, like, we need to, like, when you look at the schools, and when you look at the reputation of the schools and all that, like, what is going on, because we are worried about our future generation now, not
Mm.
about basically, we are not worried about us anymore. We are worried about our future generation, like,
Mhm.
the generation coming out right now from schools. I think we are worried about that more. And I think we need to let our kids know, it doesn't matter, like, being honest with you, I am going to tell you one thing. अगर आपका ये different है ना,
Mm.
you are going to get treated same how we are getting
Yeah.
treated.
Doesn't matter if you're born here.
But it doesn't
Yeah.
that means nothing unless you are exceptionally smart
Mm.
and you can do that what other person cannot, then they will choose you.
Mm. Yep.
Otherwise, there is, we can say this is a multicultural society. Yes, it is. And when you talk to the reasonable people, they are reasonable about that
Mhm.
phrase,
Mhm.
multicultural society and all that. But when it comes to the point where you need to get into head of somebody, then it changes the whole perspective
Yeah. Yeah.
of being equality and all that.
Mhm.
It changes,
Right.
because there are small incidents you can see, and even I saw those firsthand. But we will not talk about it, because if we will talk about it, and the people will start saying, like, they will start, like, we are racist. But
Mm.
we are not racist.
Yeah.
We are feeling the racism, like,
Yeah.
where that thing comes out, how you, like, you need to look at the full picture
Mhm.
to see it.
Yep.
How I will be the racist?
Yep.
I won't be the racist, but
Yep.
how is the racism towards me? We need to look at that thing.
Mm.
You
Yeah.
know what I mean?
Yeah. Yeah.
Even at workplace, you can
Feel it.
see that
Mm.
and feel it, or even outside of your workplace, you can
Yeah.
see it.
Yeah.
But you wouldn't be able to describe that to other person,
Yeah.
because that person will not understand what are your emotions
Mm.
towards that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. I so I follow NASCAR. वो जो NASCAR racing वाली नहीं होती.
Yeah.
So I was watching it, and this one clip came across. I came across. It was an Asian lady. ठीक है ना? She looked like just a normal Asian lady, right? So you would have a perception कि यार उसको English नहीं आती होगी ये वो, right? And so she was standing, where they change the tires? पता गाड़ी को tires change करते हैं, right? She was standing right there
Dock area.
on whatever area that you call it. और वहाँ पे एक there was a journalist, right? It was a white guy, obviously. He's like, oh, well, what do you think about this race, and how did you get access to being here? Like, basically what he's saying is, okay, like,
Yeah.
you being an Asian and this and that, like, how did you get on the tarmac? So ends up she was AMG's CEO. ठीक है? And the moment she started talking, you could see it on his face. It's like, oh, I thought something else.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So at that level,
Yeah, that happens. That
yeah,
happens.
at that level. So like it doesn't stop. It's you know it's more than anything else. I think it's just about not where you're born or anything like that. It's about how you look.
How you look. Look matters, doesn't matter.
Look matters a lot.
Yeah.
Look matters a lot. Anyways, you're you're kind of very close to a lot of influencer people around you. You know, you have a lot of business leaders that you know of and this and that. What do you think what do you think makes someone truly influencer? What's a true influencer in your definition? कोई influencer जो है, who's a true influencer? Is money, but does money make someone influencer, or does a big role in life make someone influencer, or is their actions and it's what they do and how they are with people that makes them influencers?
In my opinion, their action.
Mm.
But as long as their actions are similar to their talk,
Hmm.
what they are talking,
Yeah,
not they are saying something else, but their actions are
that's something else.
they're
Yeah,
doing something else.
yeah.
So I think if you are practicing that, what you are preaching,
Mm. Walk the talk is what they say.
yeah,
Walk the
in
talk.
English phrase, you
Yeah,
can
it
say
says
walk
walk
the
the
talk.
talk.
And
Walk the talk.
yeah,
Anyways, let's get to your family side. I really want to explore your family side of things. So, you initially you spent a lot of time on the road up you used to do long hauls and stuff like that. And then obviously because you're married and kids and everything, you started doing that. With a busy life that you had during the election time, how do you make sure you have enough time for your core family hours? Like five of you is a family. You know what I mean? Do you have a defined time कि भाई ये time बच्चों का है और wife का है? This is our time. Or does that change?
Nah, being honest with you, I'm not going to lie. ਮੇਰੀ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮ ਇਹ ਇਟਸ ਨਾਟ ਅ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮ, ਮੇਰੀ ਹੈਬਿਟ ਇਹ ਆ, ਮੈਂ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕੰਮ 'ਚ ਹੋਵਾਂ
No.
ਮੈਂ ਉੱਥੇ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਟਾਈਮ ਸਪੈਂਡ ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦਾ।
Okay.
ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਨਾ, ਫੈਮਿਲੀ ਇਜ਼ ਆਲਵੇਜ਼ ਪ੍ਰੀਸ਼ੀਅਸ ਐਂਡ ਆਲਵੇਜ਼ ਕਮਸ ਫਸਟ। ਬਟ ਜਦੋਂ ਪਬਲਿਕ ਸਰਵਿਸ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਆਊਗੀ ਜਾਂ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਗੱਲ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਹੈ ਨਾ, ਦੈਨ ਮੈਂ ਆਪਣਾ ਟਾਈਮ, ਹੁਣ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਅੱਜ ਆਫਟਰਨੂਨ ਦਾ ਹੀ ਇੱਕ ਇਨਸੀਡੈਂਟ ਆ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਬੜਾ ਸਿੰਪਲ ਜਿਹਾ ਆ, ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕਾਲ ਕੀਤੀ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੇ ਵੀ ਨੋ 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 ਯੂ ਨੀਡ ਟੂ ਕਮ।
You need to go.
ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਨਾ, ਉਹ ਮੈਂ ਭਾਵੇਂ ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਮਰਜ਼ੀ ਸੀਗਾ ਵੀ ਉਹ ਮੇਰਾ ਲੰਚ ਟੇਬਲ ਤੇ ਸੀਗਾ, ਆਈ ਕੇਮ ਡਾਊਨਸਟੇਅਰ, ਆਈ ਵਾਸ ਵਾਕਿੰਗ ਆਊਟ ਦ ਡੋਰ।
Yeah.
ਸਾਰੇ ਉੱਥੇ ਬੈਠੇ ਸੀਗੇ, ਆਈ
Yeah.
ਟੋਲਡ them ਬਾਏ ਬਾਏ,
Yeah.
ਵੀ ਮੈਂ ਆਉਣਾ ਹੈ, ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੇ ਬੁਲਾਇਆ, ਜ਼ਰੂਰੀ ਜਾਣਾ ਹੈ। ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਨਹੀਂ? ਸੋ ਇਸ ਕਰਕੇ family means a lot to me, but it depends on where you are and what situation you are in. It is not that somebody needs you for their life and death situation type of a thing, and you say, oh no, 5 to 6 is my family time, I am not going to go
of
out.
course.
No,
Of course.
ऐसा नहीं होगा ना।
Of course.
So वो family is always close to your heart, without any doubt, without any reason, they are always there. But ਜੋ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਸੋਸਾਇਟੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਰਨ ਦੀ ਲੋੜ ਆ, we need to go out there and do it too.
Of course.
Yeah.
Very, very beautifully said.
Yeah.
So, there's a big difference that I notice. कि जड़े हमारी गुजराती फैमिली जो होती है, right? उनके बच्चे अगर यहाँ पे born हुए ना, so I would say 80 to 85% of them, they don't speak Gujarati at home. ठीक है? Whereas I've noticed this कि पंजाबियों के, even though you guys have been here way longer than Gujaratis or anybody, right? But आपकी जो language है ना, आपने उसको जान नहीं दी, right?
लैंग्वेज तो जा रही है थोड़ी थोड़ी, ऐसे है भी ट्राई हम पूरी कर रहे हैं भी वो उनका टच रहे। तो जैसे मेरे 3 बच्चे हैं, जो जेडी मेरी बेटी है, शी स्पीक्स गुड पंजाबी एंड शी रीड्स पंजाबी टू।
Wow.
Yeah. Not that perfectly, but
That's fine.
she can add up the and she can read.
Right.
तो जो दूसरे वाला बेटा है वो उसके साथ थोड़ी बहुत ही उसकी कम्युनिकेशन जो है वो पंजाबी में है आपस में। जो तीसरे वाला है सबसे छोटा, वो स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड इंग्लिश है, बट ਹੁਣ ਉਹਨੇ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਲਰਨ ਕਰਨੀ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਕੀਤੀ ਆ, ਜਿਵੇਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਕੋਈ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਨ ਡਏ ਆ, ਜਦੋਂ ਮਤਲਬ ਕਿ ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾ ਇੱਕ ਫਰੇਜ਼ ਆ, ਓਏ ਤੇਰੀ ਐਸੀ ਤੈਸੀ, that's what he learned. So he says to me,
of
"ओए,
course.
तेरी ऐसी तैसी."
सारे बाप ना ऐसे क्या कर रहे
हाँ,
थे
तो वो ऐसे है ना भी, थोड़ा बहुत टच उसके अंदर भी आ रहा है अब, वो ही स्टार्ट स्पीकिंग।
या
बट पहले तो मेरे को यही था भी यार ये पंजाबी नहीं बोलेगा, बट अब लगता है कि वो बोलेगा, बट बोलेगा थोड़ा सा वो ऐसे नहीं है भी उसको पंजाबी आती नहीं है, पंजाबी उसको पंजाबी की पूरी समझ है। मैं उसको पंजाबी में क्वेश्चन करूंगा, वो मेरे को इंग्लिश में आंसर करेगा।
हाँ, so he knows, he understands, he understands Punjabi.
जस्ट
बोलना
निकालने की बात है,
वो
मुंह से
निकालने
word अभी वो उसने निकालने शुरू कर दिए हैं, बट पहले तो बिल्कुल ही नल था काम।
right,
नो
right.
तो
तो what's so consciously you and your wife obviously work on that कि
Yeah.
भाई बच्चों के साथ making sure that हमारी जो क्या बोलते हैं ट्रेडिशंस जो हैं, जो पंजाबी कल्चर जो है वो बरकरार रहना चाहिए। आई थिंक दैट इज़ वेरी वेरी एसेंशियल। ठीक है ना?
या वो जैसे मेरी बेटी है, वो भंगड़े को बहुत लाइक करती है।
Of course.
She does भंगड़ा।
I love Bhangra too. I'm Gujarati.
Yeah,
I dance. I do Bhangra a
Even
lot.
she is in a university, she wants to go for भंगड़ा classes।
ठीक है जी।
She's still going।
Right.
Not for भंगड़ा, now she's teaching the
Teaching,
Bhangra,
okay.
so she loves Kirtan।
Mm.
She goes to Gurdwara and
Yeah.
plays Kirtan there too।
Yeah.
वो उससे ये होता है कि उनमें रहता है थोड़ा सा
Yeah.
पंजाबी का टच रहता है।
Yeah.
जैसे कि भंगड़ा और कीर्तन, these are two
Very
totally different platforms, you
Yeah.
can say।
Yeah.
But she's good with the entertainment, she's good with her spiritual life too।
Of course.
So she knows the difference।
Right.
So she don't want to let one side go and want to stick to the one side।
Yeah.
She want to keep the both sides,
Keep the balance.
yeah।
I think that's very important.
Yeah।
That is very very important. So what's the most valuable lesson जो आपने अपने बच्चों को instill किया हुआ है?
ਮੈਂ ਤਾਂ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਇੱਕੋ ਗੱਲ ਕਹੀ ਆ ਵੀ ਨਾ ਕਿਸੇ ਤੋਂ ਡਰਨਾ ਆ ਤੇ ਨਾ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੂੰ ਡਰਾਉਣਾ ਆ।
Okay.
ਇੰਜੋਏ ਕਰੋ ਆਪਣਾ ਜੋ ਵੀ ਹੈ ਨਾ।
हाँ जी। हाँ जी।
ਤੇ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮ ਆ ਬਾਹਰ
हाँ।
ਤੇ ਕੰਸਲਟ ਵਿਦ ਯੂਰ ਪੇਰੈਂਟਸ, ਲਾਈਕ ਮੈਂ ਉੱਥੇ ਹੈਗਾ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਲਈ।
Yeah.
ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਮਦਰ ਆ, ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਇਸ਼ੂ ਆ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਦੱਸੋ, ਵੀ ਵਿਲ
Yeah.
हैंडल इट।
I think it's because see मेरे बच्चे तो आपके बच्चे से काफ़ी छोटे हैं, right? My oldest is 3.5, right? So I think it's very important to be their friends, right? But जो हमारी my generation is obviously different than your generation, but I think that's the route we have to take.
We need from the parent side, one person should be the friend, other person should be the parent।
Yeah. Good cop, bad cop.
अगर दोनों ही फ्रेंड हो गए
फिर
तो मुश्किल होगी, अगर दोनों ही पेरेंट हो गए तो
हाँ तो ये मुश्किल होगी।
तो वो जो फ्रेंडशिप का रोल है वो वैसे तो मेरी वाइफ प्ले कर रही है, तो पेरेंट का मैं कर रहा हूँ,
राइट,
बट वो कई बार वाइस वर्सा हो जाता है।
ठीक है,
हाँ
ठीक है। Is there something that you five do together that like it's a ritual? Any ritual that you have? कि भाई वीकेंड पे 1-2 घंटे बैठना है, बातें करनी है, कुछ गेम्स खेलने हैं, टॉक अबाउट लाइफ, व्हाट योर लर्निंग्स आर, एनीथिंग?
वो मैं तो डेली बेसिस पे करता हूँ।
अच्छा ठीक है।
जब बैठते हैं बात करते हैं,
राइट,
टीवी बंद करो, बैठो, बात सुनाओ, क्या हुआ स्कूल में, क्या किया,
राइट,
ठीक है ना, वो चलता है। बट जैसे वो गेम्स वगैरह का है, वो जब कोई नई गेम आती है तब तो सभी को बहुत चाह होता है। वो कैरम बोर्ड आ गया तो कैरम बोर्ड प्ले करेंगे सभी करेंगे, ठीक है ना, वो चलता है
Right.
कभी कभार, ज़्यादा नहीं। तो हमारा जो ज़्यादा टाइम स्पेंड एक साथ करने का है तरीका, वो ये है, अभी हम मॉल में चले जाते हैं, वहाँ पे बैठो, वहाँ पे खाओ, फिर घर पे आओ।
ठीक है जी।
दैट्स हाउ वी। मैं घर पे यार बैठ नहीं सकता, मेरी ये प्रॉब्लम है। मैं तो घर पे हूँ तो कुछ ना कुछ कर रहा हूँ,
राइट,
गाड़ी का कुछ कर रहा हूँ, जो गाड़ी का नहीं कर रहा तो कुछ और कर रहा हूँ, कुछ ना कुछ कर रहा हूँ।
ठीक है जी।
बैठना मेरे लिए बहुत मुश्किल है।
ठीक है जी। So we'll get into the spirituality side of things. Do you consider yourself a very spiritual person? And how does that fit into your daily life?
I will not say I am 100% following that path, but हाँ ਰੱਬ ਤੋਂ ਮੈਂ ਡਰਦਾ ਹਾਂ।
Of course.
ਜਾਂ ਉਹਦਾ ਰੀਜ਼ਨ ਇਹ ਆ ਵੀ ਮੈਂ ਇਸ ਚੀਜ਼ 'ਚ ਬਿਲੀਵ ਕਰਦਾ ਆ ਵੀ ਜੋ ਬੀਜਾਂਗੇ ਸੋ ਵੱਢਾਂਗੇ।
Say that again.
जो बीजांगे सो वडांगे। बेसिकली इट्स हिंदी में जो बोएंगे
अच्छा 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 ठीक है ओके got it yeah of course karma
in English you can say
karma
believe in
for sure
कम बैक पे मैं बिलीव करता हूँ भी अगर आप किसी के साथ बुरा करोगे तो आपके साथ भी होगा, तो मैं इसलिए उन चीज़ों से थोड़ा सा दूर रहते हो। बट कई बार आपको चीज़ें वैसे ही घेर लेती है आगे बट मैं उस चीज़ का बिग बिलीवर हूँ।
Yeah. Well, I think such is life. You know, life is not always perfect, yeah.
No, it is not.
You know?
No.
I think sometimes you have to do things that you don't really like, but I mean that's just the nature of life.
Yeah.
Right? ऐसा तो है नहीं कि भाई सभी दूध के दुएले हो जाएंगे.
बिल्कुल.
It's virtually impossible.
मैं सबसे जो मेन चीज़ है ना प्रांशु जी, जिस चीज़ पे मेरा बिलीव है, मैं इंटेंशनली किसी का माड़ा नहीं कर सकता। हाँ, जाने में अगर हो गया हो तो उसके लिए मेरे को सॉरी बोलने में भी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है।
राइट।
ये नहीं मैं सोच के आऊँगा अभी हाँ भी आज तो प्रांशु के साथ झगड़ा करना ही है, वो नहीं है मेरा।
ऑफ कोर्स।
अगर हो गया तो बाद में सॉरी तो बोलना पड़ेगा यार भाई, गलती हो गई वैसे बोल दिया, समझे कि नहीं? मतलब कि इंटेंशनली किसी का मैं बुरा नहीं कर सकता।
राइट
और ना ही मैं करना चाहता हूँ। हाँ, क्योंकि आई एम अ बिग बिलीवर ऑफ कर्मा।
राइट। So what does success mean to you now that is different 10 years ago? So अभी आपकी उम्र, you're late 40s?
Yeah.
Late 40s?
Late 40s.
So when you were in your 30s, what was your definition of success? And now? At that time and today?
Oh, at that time, the success was like, buying a house and like, buying a new car, this and that. That was success. But now, the meaning of success has changed, especially with your kids. If your kids are successful, it means you are successful. And your whole focus is your kids. If they are well educated and getting a good job, that is a success for you. Now the success, the whole meaning of a success is changed.
The parameters change.
The parameters 100% change.
Yeah, because I think when you even have your house, I mean, that's also securing your family.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah, but उस समय आप इस समझ से नहीं ले रहे भी मैं फैमिली के लिए, उस समय हो रहा है मैं ले रहा हूँ, अपने लिए ले रहा हूँ, बड़ा हाउस ले रहा हूँ, ये ले रहा हूँ, वो ले रहा हूँ।
Right.
वो तब वो चीज़ें जो है वो डिफरेंट थी। जब आप जैसे बेटी मेरी यूनिवर्सिटी में है, तो नाउ इन दीज डेज दिस इज द ओनली थिंग कम्स इन योर माइंड, इफ शी विल सक्सीड इन हर स्टडीज, दैट इज अ रियली बिग सक्सेस फॉर यू।
Right. Yeah, of course. So how आप जो stress, setbacks and moment of doubts, how do you deal with that?
ये थोड़ा सा मेरे लिए ट्रिकी है।
That's fine.
मैं
आंसर
ट्रिकी इसलिए नहीं भी आपने कुछ गलत पूछा है मेरे से। मैं किसी भी चीज़ को सेटबैक समझता ही नहीं हूँ। भी कुछ सेटबैक हो गया, ठीक है ना, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्या होगा सेटबैक में? जैसे इलेक्शन का ले लो, इलेक्शन आपने विन नहीं की, इस बार नहीं की, अगली बार कर लेंगे, कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है, ठीक है ना। तो सेटबैक तो कोई चीज़ है ही नहीं, वो इस बार नहीं है तो नेक्स्ट टाइम हो जाएगी।
ऑफ कोर्स।
तो हाउ आई कोऑपरेट विद दैट, मेरा जो माइंड सेट है वो मैं आपको पहले बता चुका हूँ। फिर थोड़ा सा मेरा गुरु के साथ जो मेरा है ना, वो अपना ही रिश्ता है डिफरेंट तरीके का।
ओके।
फिर मैं थोड़ी देर बैठता हूँ, खुद से बातें करता हूँ, देन it goes back to normal.
Of course. So basically, you find answers within yourselves.
Yeah.
Right.
मैं ज़्यादा बात करने से अपना internally जो है ना, उसी से satisfied हूँ।
Right. Well, yeah. I'm on that road as well. I'm right there. Because I think you know, me and our beautiful cameraman,
Uh-huh.
we were chatting before you came, you know. So we were talking about uh, the self doubts and how do you self belief and all these things, na. So I said, you know, you have to be your own best friend,
Yep.
right? If you're not your own best friend, then people, लोग आपको देखेंगे, आपको रहन के चले जाएंगे.
Yep.
They will walk all over you.
Yep.
You have to know what your limits are. You have to know your what you can do in life, and you have to have that belief in you, right? Because you know yourself the best.
The best.
I think that's why you should sit by yourself every day and just reflect,
Reflect. Yep.
right? I think that's the answer for a lot of things. Anyways, bhai, बहुत serious हो गया. Let's let's get a bit lighthearted and fun. So, funniest or craziest story when you're working or when you're driving long haul? Any funniest or craziest stories?
Any craziest what?
Funniest or craziest thing that happened
Oh,
when you're driving or anything in life that you can share on camera, that is.
the funny things happens when you go towards south.
Okay.
But the craziest thing happens when you are driving in Alberta,
Okay.
especially on the snow.
Okay.
Like, you know, I saw car spun right in front of me and all those kind of a thing,
Yeah.
which takes you back there, like, you know, where you feel like, oh, you are gone.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
luckily
You see the life so near your face.
Yeah.
Yeah.
like, you know, when your truck goes
All the-
fishtail and
yeah,
all that.
fishtail and all that. Yeah. I mean, it's funny now, but it's
Yeah,
probably at that. Probably.
No, that's the craziest thing, not
Yeah.
the funny thing.
Yeah.
The funniest thing I told you, it happened south when I was driving in Texas side and all that.
Okay.
Yeah, but those stories,
You can't share it. we'll share it off the camera.
Yeah.
So if you weren't a truck driver, what other career would you have chosen?
In Canada, I tried to become a police officer.
Police officer?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, you have the physique and you have the height, obviously.
Yeah,
So
yeah. But some reasons I wasn't able to go there. But that's what I thought I should.
you should have been.
I should proceed.
Proceed. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Who would play you in a movie about your life? Koi Punjabi actor. That if there was a movie to be made on you.
I'm not a very big fan of movies, I would say,
Okay.
honestly.
Okay.
ਮੈਂ ਵੇਖ ਲੈਣਾ ਜਦੋਂ ਕਿਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਬੈਠਾ ਹੋਵਾਂ ਕਿਤੇ ਲੱਗੀ ਹੋਵੇ
हाँ
ਮੂਵੀ
जी, हाँ जी.
I can sit and watch.
ठीक है जी.
But ਮੈਂ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਯਾਨੀ ਕਿ ਇੱਕ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਨਾ ਵੀ ਵਿਦ ਕੇ ਮਤਲਬ ਕਿ you made your mind to go see
To
watch
watch a movie.
something.
हाँ.
ऐसा नहीं है मेरा,
ऐसा नहीं है.
नहीं है.
Okay. But do you so what else, like what are your like आपको क्या पसंद है? What do you watch TV at all or no
Oh, I
TV?
do watch TV. I watch English movies.
Okay.
Yeah, I like मेरे जो एक्टर हैं वो लिमिटेड ही हैं जिनको मैं देखना ज़्यादा पसंद करता हूँ,
Okay.
तो वो देखता हूँ मैं.
Okay.
Yeah, तो वैसे मैं ड्रामास मूवी देखता हूँ
ठीक है जी.
नेटफ्लिक्स पे.
बिग बॉस तो नहीं देखते आप?
है
Big
नो
Boss,
नो
good.
बिग बॉस मैं नहीं देखता.
Good.
नॉट एट ऑल.
Then we are friends.
Yeah. तो ऐसे ही just mystery and all those type of thing
ठीक है.
I do, but randomly.
Randomly.
कुछ सोच के नहीं भी मैं यही देखूंगा.
हाँ.
जैसे लोग होते हैं ना भी NYPD देखना है
ना.
या LAPD देखना है.
LAPD देखना है.
वो नहीं है.
अच्छा.
भी वो जो भी आ गया वो अगर उसमें बन गया इंटरेस्ट
Yeah.
उसको देख लेना
तो
है.
एक्शन आपका इंटरेस्ट है? एक्शन मूवीज
हाँ,
और
मैं विल स्मिथ is my favorite actor.
Will Smith, yeah.
अगर उसकी
So a little bit on the funny side, a little bit on
both sides, like,
both
you know,
sides,
funny
and the action,
and
and the
action.
action, yeah, yeah.
वो उसको मैं देखता हूँ काफी.
Good, good. ठीक है
And
जी.
जो दूसरा है अपना Western movies I like.
Okay.
I like Clint Eastwood.
Oh yeah,
he's
the
my
old school,
favorite.
the old school guy.
Yeah,
Yeah,
old school guy.
Clint Eastwood.
I like that guy.
He's old,
He's
late
like,
80s.
yeah. He did produce one movie just
Really?
few years ago, I think. Name was Mule.
I've heard of it.
Yeah, I watched that too.
Yeah.
Like, you know.
मैंने वो वाली देखी थी उसकी जिसमें he's an aged guy and he gets in the extramarital affair with this woman whose
Uh-huh.
husband is at war.
Oh, okay.
I don't know, I forget the name.
Oh, I watched some of the war movies and the Western, like, you know, where he
Okay.
was a cowboy type of a thing.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I
he's
watched
he's
those.
he's old. He's good.
I like his style, actually. You
Yeah,
know.
yeah.
I watched those. Denzel Washington is the
Oh, he's good. He's
the,
good. Yeah.
the third one.
Yeah.
Because his I like his style,
Mm.
how he talks and
Yeah.
how he does
Very
things.
very macho
Yeah,
man
yeah.
and all that. Yeah.
Even there are a few other characters I like.
Okay.
Yeah, but those are the main ones.
Cool. Cool.
Freeman Morgan
Freeman Morgan is good. Yeah.
is good.
Yeah.
know.
Great. So obviously you're Punjabi and Punjabis love their song, their music.
Yes.
Who's your favorite artist or favorite song or anything?
फेवरेट आर्टिस्ट मेरा कोई नहीं है. फेवरेट सॉन्ग्स हैं.
Okay.
आर्टिस्ट सभी इक्वल है.
सुनते रहते हैं आप.
वो कोई भी बंदा बढ़िया सॉन्ग
बना
बना सकता है.
ठीक है जी.
तो वो मैं सुनता तो हूँ. हरभजन मान को भी सुना है मैंने, दिलजीत दोसांझ को भी सुना है, वो सिद्धू मूसेवाले को भी
Yeah,
सुना
of
है, वो गुरदास मान को भी सुना है अपने टाइम पे.
Babbu Man and all these guys.
Babbu Man.
Babbu Man.
It depends on a song and your mood.
Your mood, of
Yeah,
course.
basically, you know, how you are sitting and what are you watching and all that.
Okay. So, highway or home cooked food?
Home cooked food.
Of course, that's a no-brainer. What's your favorite home cooked food?
Me, I love dal.
Dal. If you could have chai with anyone, dead or alive, who would it be?
पॉलिटिक्स में जिसने मेरे को इंस्पायर किया था ना,
Uh,
वो था बराक ओबामा.
oh,
If I like,
Really?
if I will get a chance
do you have
to have
chai,
a coffee
chai with
or
him?
tea
No.
with Barack Obama,
अरे बराक ओबामा आएगा तो उसको चाय पिलाएंगे, उसको कॉफी नहीं देंगे उसको.
because जब वो इलेक्ट हुआ था
हाँ.
तब मैं यूएस को जाता था.
अच्छा ठीक है जी.
So I heard all the speeches and his debates and everything, and he was good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nice. What's more dramatic? Punjabi moms or dads?
Punjabi moms.
But see, I have to ask you.
Dads are straightforward.
नहीं
एक लगाना है तो लगाना
नहीं
है.
डैड मैंने पूछना था कि पंजाबी moms or dads after 5 packs. ठीक है जी. Your kids describe you as
Super dad.
super dad. Okay, great. One promise you've made to yourself and to your wife.
My to my wife, I made so many promises. I don't even remember. Remember?
काट देना इसको, काट देना, काट देना. फिर घर में चित्त नहीं पड़ेगा फिर मुझे.
But no, मेरी वाइफ के साथ यही प्रॉमिस है अभी. साथ में चलेंगे.
Yeah,
जितना भी चलेंगे साथ में चलेंगे.
nice.
चलेंगे जरूर.
Yeah.
एंड जो मेरा खुद के साथ है वो ये है कि भी मैं अपने बच्चों को भी बोलता हूँ, ये मालूम नहीं वो इसको फॉलो करेंगे या नहीं करेंगे,
Mm-hmm.
बट दिस इज इमोशनल एक्चुअली.
Uh-huh.
We either take me back home when I am dead,
Yeah.
or take my ashes back home, one way or the other.
Yeah.
That's
That's where you want to belong.
yeah,
Beautiful.
yeah.
What's one lesson or one piece of advice you want to give to the next generation leaders like yourself, that they can see you and be like, yeah, you know what? If he can do it, if Sandeep Singh, a guy who came to Canada almost 30 years ago, he was pumping fuel the first day, and from that point on, he's here. What's that advice that you should give them?
Believe in yourself and chase your dreams.
Yeah. Nice. Very, very nice. I think we'll wrap it up right there. I think it says a lot about your character, your personality. Thank you so much, Sandeep bhai.
Thank you.
It's been a pleasure
Thank
to have
you.
you. I think it was long. It's been a long await. It just didn't never worked out, KR, here and there and everything. And we respect KR, what you are doing. You're doing for community and this and that. So respect that as well. But that's Sandeep Singh. In a nutshell, he's been a man of not a lot of words, but a lot of action. He's been around very, very long time. And next time when he comes out in the market, I'm sure with the personality he has, he's going to be the Ward 12 Spamitapi city councillor. I'm sure he's going to be running again. And I wish he will. Thank you so much for very, very encouraging words.
Thank you.
For the next generation, for the youth, which is why we are sitting here. For more and more of this content, please like, share, subscribe our channel. Until next time, stay grounded, stay motivated, and keep hustling. Later.